mind of a man. The gauge will go bang as I'm making a stain, and I'm on my 10 toes like a G in the game. Ugly as hell, choking off the smell of 10 busters decomposing in the whale. Still down to kill every cop on the trail to the victim I left behind locked in a cell. Dodging and ducking and bouncing and bucking and G-walking on your motherfucking coffin. So often I'm down to fulfill a sensation for robbery, so I'll make you come up off it. A mystical prophet receiving a prophecy deep in my brain. I'm about to release everything that I learned in the underworld, but now I'm coming back off with the mark of the beast. Fuck the police, I wish I could kill everyone in the world with the left for my peace. I will assure and make sure that the one that you catch is so hot that you feel like you freeze. Catch a disease and then die slow is what I wish upon my rivals. There is no restitution or survival when you meet the light of my rifle. Back of your head, back of your head, I'm fully resurrected back from the dead. I am the only true God of this world, although it is contrary to what Jesus said. All black, stanging and banging and rapping a lemon lame up in a blanket and putting his head on the pavement and hitting it with a hammer to keep it in containment.
All about that money, man. 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 All about that money.
I fucking love you, Dylan Ross. Word.
About the salas, pick up what I need. Roll back to Fogtown, I'm the distribution service. As I get angrier, I kick through reverses, and it's evident to me you're not a G if metal make you nervous. And if that does, my squad will. All I know is get angry, pop pills, pop trunk, and get real. I keep it swinging like a fifth wheel. I'm moving work, you want a job, I'm on my management like Big Deal. I keep it trillin', only fuck with pink face bills. Only thing up in me demonic tendencies, and you wanna see me get all so ill. Clean up the steel right before I kill. Step into the dungeon and I bet you onion is all that you smell. Hell, compared to me you all defenseless. You wanna keep me out your area, you better build some taller fences. I built this pipeline in all directions. I'm stacking so many chips, you can mistake it for a pub collection.
I'm selling nickels to the junkies on the track.